Well, middle of the week, it's hump day. Yesterday, the markets absolutely ripped and trended up nicely all day. On the overnight session, markets were going down and kind of wanted to see if we were just going to fully retrace that move, potentially buy up off of the prior highs, etc., from earlier this week. And so ended up being able to take some action on that. Took 4 different trades today. So feeling really confident on all of them and felt like my patience was executing well and was able to walk away with a nice little bag. So please sit back and enjoy this trading stream recap, which again, we go live every day at 8:30 a.m. Central Time here on this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and come hang out in the live streams. All right, good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's hump day. We are down 1.3% on the Nasdaq, 1.18% on the ES. Yesterday, just ended up hanging out at 666. We broke out of value area low on the overnight session, continued to move to the downside. Makes sense. I am wondering if we rotate back down into 350 or not. Like, do we just fully retrace this move from yesterday? Do we have 2 super trendy days in a row? Yes. We have 9 o'clock, top of the hour, ISM PMI, excuse me. So 9 o'clock, top of the hour. Should be expecting a little something, something. All right, news is out. That's a quick flush off the bat. What's the number? Green or red? Green. Market's going to dump. It's technically new lows on the day. 360 looks pretty interesting on the daily to me. These prior highs here at 350, I guess. Got a 40, 265 at 40 as well. I just kind of like the long side here on the Nas. I'm going to participate. I kind of got a little bit late on that move. I saw it coming, man. I saw it freaking coming, and I wanted to get in a little quicker. It's a little late. See if we can catch a little bit out of it. That pump back up into the 60s. I unfortunately have to be very tight on this move because I missed a large piece of it. I'm taking that off. So first trade of the day. We're 45 minutes in. Just locked in 13 points on the NAS, $260. Right back up into the 50s. It's right at value area low. I think I like the rotation up to 63 more. But from a risk to reward perspective there, after getting in late on the move, like I literally decided to participate with everybody else. I like to be a little earlier than that typically. But as soon as I made up my mind, I got into the trade and everybody else is riding with me. It might have been a little bit more open to letting it run a little longer had I been in the 10 points earlier before the quick push. But that's okay. So we take that and on to the next. If you're watching this, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Check out the links down below this video. They're all very important, especially if you are new to trading or getting into trading or already a trader or interested in trading content. Check out the links down below. My Instagram is down there at Trades by Matt. 20% off Top Step and FAQs and stuff like that. So check it out. Thanks for watching this video. All right. Now it's happening. It's about time. Hey, that was so exciting. I'm going to go ahead and get long here. It gave us the one tick flush. Ran the double bottom, tapped that level. Seeing the first signs of like a kind of a flushy looking candle on Delta, but I did want to take this trade, so I'm going to at least give it a shot, seeing as I waited for a while for it. Yes, now trying to run the lows. See if the NAS will continue to do as well. Just going to watch this price action for a second. I'm taking it off. I'm taking the break-even scratch here. It's just not doing what I want to do. It's not doing what I want it to do. It's just taking a little long. This is looking a little sus to me. Basically, a $5 loss plus commission, so I'm not really tripping about it. I gave it a quick shot, and I wanted to see a quicker reaction. Still pumping. Still got that 700 block at 44. Letting the NAS come back down a little bit. I still like this area as a bounce spot, potentially. Especially as we kind of come into the 11 o'clock reversal. Well, it's really 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock reversal potential. Buyers look pretty good here. I'm just going to get in long here. We're very close to that 44 block. ES is looking like it's trying to pump out. NAS, not the most ideal entry. I should have gotten in at 66 or whatever that is. But I like it for the quick push. We didn't get a whole lot out of that. That was a very quick flush. Let's see if we can get a little bit more continuation here. There it is. Yes, moving nicely, ripping nicely. Nas following suit. I'm actually going to go ahead and put my stop in for this candle. If we do get the quick slap, then we'll be all good. It's a nice rip on the ES though. We got pointing control on the Nas now at 99. I guess really I should probably be looking at 420. Not even for the memes. Literally for the level. I'm gonna get stopped out here though. I'm taking my 2 cents. Stopped out. It makes up for the last trade. I could have taken 10 points out of it, but it felt like it could do the full move, so I wanted to be greedy. But I'm not willing to let this thing go from green to red on me, so took the scratch. I'm not super interested in trying to take another trade at 400. I've tried that twice now. All right, we got top of the hour coming up. I kind of want to see if we flush into the 60s again one more time, but it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. I just want to buy like either the low 80s or the low 70s, and I'm not sure. Like, I want to buy the low 70s, but I don't know if that's going to happen again. So then I just want to buy the 80s. ES ran the double bottom. Nas now sitting at the 70s. I'm going to go ahead and participate. We got the quick flush on the ES and trying to kick back up. Nas gave us the quick flush, basically running through the whole candle as well. I got my low 80s buy, which I wanted. It was like instant, like 5 points in profit. Kind of hanging out around 1 point now. I'm looking at volume, point of control, etc. for potential exits. All right, new candle, top of the hour. See how much push we can get out of this. I'm killing that. That got very, very close there to filling me out. Very close. Anytime I'm that close to getting filled out, I just want to immediately kill the trade and be done with it. Like, look, I would have gotten filled out here at 98 right now. I would have gotten filled out. But that probability to me is like not worth it. It's just not worth it at all. Like those extra, like the extra $40 or something that you know, get out of that trade is just like the risk is not there. I've gotten burned so many freaking times on it. That being said, looks like a higher low trying to get formed out here for potentially a little rotation. I think we're going to kind of rotate out of this to the upside for a while. But that's just my play. We'll see.